3 students understand how to compare fractions. 1. Each kid is given several pies. Each pie is a different color. Number 2. They each have a full set of 1 whole pie. 1 pie cut in half, 1 cut in thirds, 1 into fourths, all the way to tenths. Bailey, would you please show me a whole pie? Samantha, will you show me half a pie? Bailey, will you show me a third? Samantha, will you show me a fourth of a pie? Bailey, will you show me a fifth of a pie? Samantha, will you show me 1/6 of a pie? Bailey, will you show me 1/7? Samantha, will you show me 1/8? Bailey, will you show me 1/9? And Samantha, can you show me 1/10 of a pie? This is a good way to get students to realize that the larger the denominator is, the smaller the piece of pie. Step 4. The teacher will then show equivalent fractions. For example, 1/2 equals 2/4, 1/3 equals 2/6, and so on. Step 5. Kids will split up into groups of 2 or 3. Step 6. The teacher will then say, show me 3 ways to depict 1/2. They race to see who can do it first. The group then has to efficiently work together to accomplish the task. When they finish, they jump up and say done. Step 7. Then each kid clears their board and the teacher gives another directive. For example, show me 2 ways to depict 3/4, and so on. We will take the first round a little slow to get the hang of the game. Show me 1/2 of the pie. Show me a fraction equivalent to 1/2 of a pie. Let's review the students' answers. Bailey?
I answered 3/5.
Let's take a second look at that. First, let's refresh our memory in cross multiplication. If we multiply D times A and B times C, we will compare the answers. Whichever answer is larger would equal to the largest fraction. If both answers are equal, then that would equal into an equivalent fraction. So let's review. 1/2 times 3/5. We multiply 1 times 5 equals 5, and then multiply 2 times 3, which equals 6. In this situation, 6 is bigger than 5. So 1/2 and 3/5 are not equivalent fractions. Let's review Samantha's answer now.
I chose 3/6.
Let's review that with cross multiplication. We do 1/2 times 3/6. We first multiply 1 times 6, that equals 6. Then we multiply 2 times 3, which equals 6. This means 1/2 and 3/6 are equivalent fractions. Round 2. Now that we had a practice round, we will play a full speed game. Students, show me a fraction of 3/6. Now show me a fraction equivalent to 3/6. Ready, set, go. We will now check our work by cross multiplying.
6 was equal to 1/2 because 3 is half of 6. And so I knew that 4/8 was 1/2 because 4 is half of 8. And then I checked it by cross multiplying. So I got 3 times 8 equals 24. And 6 times 4 equals 24. So they're equal, so they're equivalent fractions.
Great job! Samantha, explain your work.
I realized that 6 and 10 were both even numbers, so I thought 10 would fit in the 1/6. But I added one extra 1/10. So when I was checking my work, I did 3 over 6 and 6 over 10. This equals 30 and this equals 36. So 3/6 is not equal to 6/10.
Great try, Samantha, but this time the point goes to Team 2. Students, you can now clear your board so we can start a new round. Students, show me a fraction of 4/10. Now show me a fraction equivalent to 4/10 of a pie. Ready, set, go. Great, students. It looks like we have a tie. Remember, we can always cross multiply to check our answers. Point for both teams. Students, please show me 3/4. Now show me a fraction equivalent to 3/4. Ready, set, go. Good game. Point for Team 2. Round 5. Students, now show me a fraction of 2/3. Now, please show me a fraction equivalent to 2/3. Ready, set, go. Great job, Bailey. Point for Team 2. Now for the last round of the day. Students, show me a whole of pie. Now show me a fraction equivalent to a whole of a pie. Ready, set, go. Great job, guys. In this round, you guys both got it correct. But Samantha did finish first, so Team 1 gets the point. This activity is good because it's competitive without being focused strictly on winning. Kids have some incentive to finish first. It shows them that they can have fun playing to learn, not just to win. Most of us in the group don't remember specifics of how our teachers taught us how to compare fractions, but Bailey would show an example of how she was taught.
I remember my teacher using Hershey bar pieces because they break into equal parts to explain the same concept. So while chocolate is tasty, playing an interactive game is more fun and helps the kids remember their fractions better.
Thank you for playing with Group 1. I'm Catherine.
I'm Bailey.
I'm Samantha.
And I'm Carrie.
Fractions are fun! Step 7. Then each... Sorry.